Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. We are learning Excel automation here. So in this series, today we will learn the append range activity. So let's go to the UiPath and understand these activities, how it's work. So let's go to the UiPath. So here I am created a program uh, using append range activity. Uh, so firstly I describe this program and then I will run this program and show you the output. So you can see here I'm using Excel application or scope activity. In this activity, I have taken the dump data file, uh, Excel file, and after that, in the in this scope, I have taken another activity, that is a read range activity. So here I am reading sheet 1 activity and write in the data dt1 data table. So similarly, I have read all the sheets available in the dump data file, Excel file. So you can see here seat 1, seat 2, seat 3 and seat 4. So all four seats we read and write in the respective data tables, data dt1, data dt2, data dt3, data dt4. So all these data written in the data tables. After that, again I am taking a Excel scope application, and here I am taking the Excel file is a master sheet Excel file. So in this file have a one sheet, that is a sheet 1. So in this sheet all the four data table written in one sheet. So how can do that? So use the append range activity here. Using append range activity, here you see the sheet 1 and data dt1, and again I'm using same activity for data dt2. So for all four data table I have using four append range activity here. Okay, so one by one all data table written in the one sheet, that is a sheet 1 for master sheet Excel file. So I hope you understand this program. So I will run this program and show you the output. So firstly I show you the both Excel file that we used here, dump data, and the another is master file, master sheet. So go to the folder, and here the master sheet is here. So you can see master sheet is sheet 1 is here, and in this file there is no data. Okay, so after getting all the data from the dump data and write in the this sheet. So let's see the dump data file. So you can see here there is a four sheet available in this file. So sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. So all sheet have some data, you can see here. So each sheet we can take the data from each sheet and write in the master Excel file, master sheet Excel file. So now we run this file. So now our process is completed. You can see here, go to the master sheet. Here all data come in one sheet. There are four sheet available in dump data, and all the sheet have a 9 rows. So here you can see here 36 uh, rows are available. You by adding headers, there is 37 rows here available. So all data coming in the one sheet. So this is a simple way. If you you if you want to you don't know the exact sheet count, uh, here go to the dump data. Here there are multiple seats, so you don't know this number of the seats. So how can you get all the seat data and write in the one seat? So this is a different scenario. So we understand also see this scenario, how can uh, resolve this scenario and how to make the program for that. So now we create another program. So go to the UiPath, and you can see here also one things I want to tell you. Here I'm using the multiple times of same activities. Here I'm using 4 times of read range activity. So it's not required. If you are using the loop, then in the one activity we are getting all the data. So now we are create one program, another program for uh, same same append the data in the one Excel sheet. So control N, append data, append range, method 2. Okay. So here you need to first take one Excel scope application here, and now you get the dump data file here. And after that, uh, how to know the count of the seat here. So firstly we get those things. So firstly here we are using the get seats activity. So using this activity we are get the count of get the count of the seat. So here we create a one variable seats name. Okay, and after that you get the all the seats name in this workbook. So after that we are using assign activity here for here creating a control K count variable, and the count variable we assign here seat name dot count. So here we get the here firstly declare the variable type count is int. Okay, and also change the here a scope of the both. Okay, so now you get the count of the file, the seats available in the file. So now we read at a time all the seats. So for that, if you're using the same Excel files, then you can use here the read range activities without a workbook. If you want to read another workbook and write in the another workbook, then you go outside and use the another activity. So here I'm using workbook activity. So here read range. So firstly we use outside this Excel application or scope, we use do while loop. So here while loop provide the condition. So be, providing before condition, use another activity. Here I'm using another activity that is a assign activities. In these activities I'm declare one another variable that is a I variable. Okay, and the I variable I'm providing the value is 1. Okay, so I variable also change the variable type here. It's not changing, so change another times a string, I control S, and then change the now remove. Okay, so here I'm using the condition I less than equals to the count. Okay, so in the while body you need to take read activity here. Read range workbook activity we are using, not the uh, Excel workbook, Excel activity. We are using the Excel activity in the Excel scope only. So we are using this activity out of the Excel scope, Excel application scope activity. So using here the workbook activity. So now also take the path of the file where we want to read the data. Okay, and here provide the sheet name. Sheet name sheet 1. So here I'm not providing the one because I'm passing the variable here. So plus I, passing here the I, because in the I, when we are running the first loop, so I value I variable value is 1. So sheet here is sheet 1. So I dot to a string. Okay. So now here create another variable, control K, data dt. Okay. So these sheets data are stored in the data dt variable. So now after that I'm using the append range activity here. APP. Here I'm also using the workbook because we need to give the path as well, because we are want to write in the another workbook, another file. So here I'm using the file is master sheet. Okay, and sheet name is 1. Okay, and the variable is data table variable is data dt. Okay, so after that you need to increase the in value of I. So you need to take the assign activity here, and for each iteration we create the value of I. So here I'm providing the I variable and the I plus 1. For each iteration it increase by 1. Okay, so after that I am outside, I'm taking a one message box here. In this message box I'm providing all sheets data append append in one Excel sheet, one Excel sheet, or you can write append in masters master sheet. Okay, so now it this program is dynamic. If you have a many sheets available in the uh, Excel file, then it this program run and all the data take from the all the sheets and write in the one sheet. So I will run this program and show you the output, it's working fine or not. So firstly save this program and go to the sheets and check the all sheets are fine or not. So here I am reviewing all the files, all the data available here. So delete, I control S, and here all the sheets are available. So once I have created another one sheet is sheet 5. Okay, control Z, sheet name is 5. In this sheet I have copied this 2 line, 4 line, and paste it in the this. Okay, so I'm close this file and now I'm run this file. all seats data append in the master sheet. So program is completed now. So you can see the output in the master sheet, all data coming or not. So you can see here 37 line and the 3 other line we have added in the fifth sheet. So it's work good. So I hope you understand both the program. If the sheets are dynamic, then you also do the program. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We will provide the solution. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.